Okay, hi Devika, here is your website. We will have a look at the back end. Currently we don't have the packages option up here because we got rid of that, but I'll show you how to switch it back on if you want. And I'll also show you how to, currently the special offers, if we click on it, goes to this PDF, and I'm going to show you how to change the PDF. I'll click back so you can change the special offers. These are currently all set to go to the one page, which is the About Us page. And I won't do anything about that just yet, unless if you decide to switch the packages on, then we'll switch them all back to their packages. But we'll go onto the back end. First things first, when you first log in, it'll actually take you to this screen, which is the control panel. And if you ever get lost, you can easily find it right up here, top left hand corner under System, and it's the first option there, Control Panel. And that will take you here. We'll take a look at the PDF first. To change the PDF, we go into Media Manager. There's two ways you can get there. You can either go under Content, which is where you actually go to change your articles, but it's right down the bottom here, Media Manager, or on the side there's a quick link right there. And so these are all the images, but in here we also have the PDF. So we're actually going to delete this PDF and put up a new one that I have on the desktop. So just click it. If that's your old promotion, you don't want it anymore, click, check the box, click on delete up here. The screen will refresh. Now we want to upload the new one. Now it's important that the new one you put on there is the same name, because when we click on the front, it's actually going to a link called /images/promo.pdf. So if we call it something different, it'll just come up with a 404 error saying it can't find that file. So click on the upload button, choose files, and over on the desktop I have such a file called promo PDF. This one's different though. This is what it looks like, new promo coming soon. So I'm not sure if you can see this, but I'll click open on there. So that's loaded the file. Now I have to click start upload, and it shouldn't take long. And so there's our new promo PDF. If we go back to the front here and click on this link now, so you can see the link down the bottom. It's going to consiliumcoaching.com/images promo PDF. Click on it, and as you can see, it's loading the same thing. I think that's browser cache. If I just go into here and clear my, what am I looking for? Clear my browser cached images. That means that the images are still loading from the computer's memory. So if I click on that, hit refresh, here we go. There's our new PDF. So that's pretty simple. Just log into the back end, find your media manager either under content or back at the control panel here. Oops, wants me to log in because I cleared the browsing data. Yeah, media manager on the side here at the control panel. So that's all pretty straightforward. Now let's take a look at the articles. Now currently we'll go into menus at the top here. Menus, we're going to skip that. We're going to go here to main menu. And this is the menu that, excuse me, this is the menu that runs across the top here. That's main menu there. If we go into main menu, you will see items, but here's our packages menu item. See these ones with the little, with the line, these mean that they're sub-menus, so these menus appear underneath About Us. They're the drop-down menu. But packages, we've got this red cross, and that means it's unpublished. So the packages menu is set to display our category blog. And I'll show you what that is. If we click this to publish it again, go back to our front end, refresh, and now we have our packages menu. If I click on it, these are all our packages that we had originally. So if you want to change those packages, we need to go into content. As you can see here, packages is a category blog. So that means it's a blog that displays articles based on their category. So if I go up to content, article manager, so there's a whole lot of articles because this is, that's only the first page, so there's a second page. These are all articles for everything on the web page, all the information. But you can see underneath it's got a category that's uncategorized, front page list mobile, list mobile. What we want is the packages category. Now we can easily sort and get just those by clicking on our little drop down here, search tools, to display these search filters, and we can select under category. Here's a category. We did have a blog category, we're not using it anymore, so don't worry about that, but we have packages. So if I click on that, it should refresh and bring up just the package articles. So if we want to change some of the information or the whole thing, alright, let's say we want to get rid of this session. You can click the check mark and nothing will happen. Sorry, I wasn't actually selected on this screen, I was still in QuickTime Player. So yeah, if you click the check, it unpublishes it and automatically takes it off of our packages page. So if I refresh here, no more goal setting, but it's still displaying the rest of them. So using this category blog tool is a really good way to display multiple items on a page. It's very easy to manage. So we'll switch it back on. Now, supposing you want to change some information, just click on the article itself and it will load like a text editor. This kind of thing, pretty easy. Now the make inquiry button, there is a bit of HTML going on in the background there, so you've got to be careful not to delete that. You won't be able to get it back without ringing your good friend Alex. So as you can see, yeah, there's a little bit of this here to make the button. But the rest is pretty simple. It's all just within P tags, which means paragraph. So yeah, you can just leave that there and you can highlight that, delete it, copy and paste in your new text, or just make the edits that you want to make. You can make things bold, italics, underline. If you want to put in a slightly larger subheading or something, you can put in sub there, highlight it, and you can choose a different style. So you might want to make it bigger with one of the heading tags. We won't worry about that. Once you've finished making your edits, simply click save and close. This is the title too. Obviously you can change the title there. If you change the title, this is an alias, and this is the part of the URL that the computer will use to get to this article. So if you change it, it's going to get confused. So what you can do is, if you change this title, simply delete and it will auto-generate from whatever your new title is. So you can just click save and close there. It will create that new thing. You just have to remember to do that. If you want to add a new package, it's simple. Hit the new button. It will bring you to the same text editor, but a blank one this time. And if you want, you can add that. You can add that button in by going into one of your other articles, going down to the bottom, hitting toggle editor, copying, pasting the code for the button, and then coming in here, making sure you toggle the editor first and add that code in. Go back to the text editor. Alright, so you give it a name and you select the category packages. Very important. This will determine where it goes. You will notice we do have another category blog on the website, and it is about coaching. So these are blog entries as well, and the category is about coaching. So there's 2 blogs, so you've got to make sure you set the right category. Your text, you've given it a title, you've selected the category, click Save and Close. I'm going to click Cancel, and it will automatically display up there. But what else was I going to show you? No, I think that's about it. Have fun with that. Of course, give me a call if you get stuck on anything.